Now, did you know that from before, or did you just learn it yesterday? Oh, okay. It's okay. The mic's not going to really hit it. Alright, so this is coin flip form. We're going to use this form when in the problem they give you a point and they give you a slope. Hence, point slip form, because math has to make sense. It's like in the name. Alright, so write down the point and the slope. We're going to write an equation. And today is 9/17. We're writing equations of lines. That's what our title is today. That's fun. It'll be fun. Alright, so when you look at T5, which one of those are my X and which one's the Y? Okay. So we're just going to substitute into this little form. So we're going to say Y minus the Y coordinate that's given equals any slope, X minus our X. And really, that's it. We have an equation of a line. It's in point slope form. Okay, good question. The reason why we don't put a 5 in all of both sides is because on a line, because of the line, okay, whatever this looks like, how many points are actually on this line? Theoretically. Infinite numbers. So this X and this Y represent every single point on that line. Okay? We just happen to know this particular one, X1, Y. Plus, if we filled it all in, we wouldn't have an X or Y, so it would be all numbers. And probably wouldn't equal. Think of, when I say write an equation of a line, from algebra 1, because this is the time that you did so many times. And that's question. This is the one that you're going to see most likely on the ACT. And it says that this graph is this equation. This is the one that they're generally going to use. So when they give you a slope and a y-intercept, this is going to be the easiest of that. So we're going to substitute our values. So y equals, what's m? 2. And what's our b? This is where it crosses the y-axis. We call that the y-intercept. And that's it. Point slope form, we have 2 points this time. So before I can write any equation of a line, I do have to know what the slope is. So from yesterday, we have to figure out what the slope is going to be. What is it? Is it 1? Okay. Well, tell me how you got it. minus 6 and 2 minus 5. Well, you can make the determination as to which one you want to use as x1, y1, and which one to -2 over -2. So that's 1 inverse slope. This is an easy one. So now we have a slope, and then we have 2 points. For point slope form, we just need 1 point. So you get to decide which point do we want to use. It doesn't really make any difference. So which one would you like to use? Pick a point. Which point do you like better? You do? Okay. So we're going to use this one, guys. For next today. You can use either one. Alright? So y minus y to 1 equals m parentheses x minus x to 1. And we're going to substitute our values in. So we're going to choose 3 out of the point that we like. Now our slope is 1. 2 is our equation and point slope. Is 1. I'm going to go ahead and write it down. So now what we're going to do is we're going to substitute into our slope-intercept form. So we have y equals our slope, x plus b. And again, we have 2 points to choose from. Which point would you like us to use? Lexi, I'll let you pick. You pick which point you like better.
1, 2.
All right, so we're going to use this one. It really doesn't matter. You could use 3, 4 if you want to. So this is x, and then the 2 is a y. So 2 equals 1 times 1 plus b. And we're going to solve for b because we need to know where it's going to cross the y-axis. Now here's the part that normally students miss, is they'll do all of that perfect, but then they won't actually go back and write the equation. You've got to write the equation of the line. So y equals, we've got to represent all those points, all those imminent points on that line. So we put, sorry, I got armor on the foot. So we got to write x and y back in there. So we have 1 x plus 1. In my pen. There we go.
Hey, you know, like, you remember the bronze kneecap?